Hi, it's Amelie. Today we're going to talk about how to play loud. A lot of people have asked us how to play louder on their flute, and the first thing I would say is to open the mouth. So you need to open a little bit more the hole here with your lips than if you're playing soft, because you need more air inside your flute to play louder. But also, you need to open inside your mouth. I would say to use the sound ah. If you try different sounds, different vowels, you will see your mouth is not open exactly the same to make them. So try ah, o, and u. You'll hear it ah, o, e. You know, even with e, it's even smaller. So ah, o, e. So start with the ah and open the lips. I'll play a D. So that's the first thing. Open and go ah. Then uncover the hole. If you're covering the hole either with your upper lip or lower lip, you need to have the right angle. You need to blow a lot of air and use your resonators. So you need to use your body to make your flute resonate more. You can use your resonators the same way singers do it. I'm not a singer, but what I do is I try to make my body vibrate. So I will use either my head. Sometimes I will imagine my sound is coming from the top of my head, so I feel there's sound in my head. Sometimes I will feel that it's vibrating in my chest. But one thing is sure, if you want that type of sound, you need energy and momentum. A lot of energy, a lot of abdominals pushing that air at a good speed, a lot of air into your flute. When I practice playing very loud, I also practice my attack because you need the sound to be strong right in the beginning. If you really want that loud feeling, because it's also a feeling, you can practice it like this. So I'll go from a B above the staff and I'll do all the semitones, but I'll play one note and then attack it again. You'll hear. And you can hear some of my notes are almost cracking, and it's okay because you're practicing. That's the point. You can crack. You have to go to the limit, to know what's your limit. If you don't crack ever, then you will never know what's your limit. So don't be afraid. You can. Okay, that's where it is, And bring it to the limit, You can do it in the high register as well. Usually it's easier to play loud in the high register than the low register, so I tend to practice more my low register and then the rest kind of works by itself. So sometimes I only practice the first octave very loud when I don't have much time. The whole time when I'm playing loud, I imagine that there's an egg in the back of my mouth, so it's very open. So to recap, open the mouth, use momentum, a lot of air, a lot of energy, and use your resonators. And don't cover the hole too much. I hope this was helpful. If you like the video, please like it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And see you next time. Aoi,